morning, everybody. We're out here at Fernandina Beach, about to get started on a custom flake floor for the customer. Should be looking pretty good. Not too big of an area, about 450 square feet. We're gonna turn this around and kind of show you guys what we're dealing with here. All right. So there is an existing paint coating on here. You can see the homeowner. They did fill in some cracks. So they did a pretty good job. No stem walls today. Nice, easy floor. Trickiest part is just gonna be this little area right here underneath the stairs, but we'll get to it. We'll show you guys once this is all done, how it kind of panned out. Relatively easy. Stand by.
So here we have the floor fully prepped. Ollie is over there finishing up some of the grinding. We definitely like to go overboard on the prep, so we never get a negative phone call back. The baseboard is just wood with polyurethane, so we wanted to fully tape that so it's protected. It's a lot easier to spend extra time taping versus getting a coating on there and trying to fix that. All right, here we are mixing up the fast dry epoxy. Yes, we are using a paint stick. You can use a paint stick. Definitely mix aggressively and scrape all the edges. This fast dry is a lot thicker than the regular dry epoxy, so makes it a little bit harder to work with, but it's not so bad. We were able to get good even coverage once we back rolled, and you see Ollie there doing a lot of the hard work, kneeling down, painting the edges. That's just how he is, always getting it done. When I'm done here, I'll take off my cleats and start cleaning up good.
I think we're gonna do it. Flake, for sure.
Okay.
Here's that. So here we are, we're in the second phase. We're just letting this sit a little bit longer. We got the flake down, as you can see in there. We're gonna get this scraped up in about 15 minutes. We'll get that top coat down, have another happy customer.
here's the finished floor. Nice even sheen on the top coat with the polyaspartic. The customer was extremely happy, and that's what matters most. So we'll see you on the next one.